Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my view today. Looking towards the Helderberg, and I'm just going flying out with a CPL filter just to reduce the glare to give you a better view. What's out there? Is that... Oh, hang on. Let's go and have a look at that. What's happening out there? It's Wednesday, it's midweek weekend in Cape Town. It's time to go fishing. What the heck? Got a couple of beers? Come along, let's go and have a look, see what's out there. Here we are. Okay, just below the roadway you can see the works that have been done there, the gabions that have been replaced, and much higher up there, if you can look in the distance, you can possibly make out on the left hand side of the screen where there has been gabions installed there as well, up on the mountain. To all my friends and followers there in the UK, please observe the lovely weather. It's not Spain, it's a little bit further than that, but no traffic, no bother, plenty of greenery, and the water is not too tepid. It's just perfect. Come and have a look. And here you're looking at the world with me through my ND16PL, which is polarized light and negative whatever ND stands for. You go figure that out. It is alleged, of course, that we can see deeper into the blue water and see what's below there. So come and explore with me. Let's look up that little fjord up that way. Oh, nice isolated little rockery, or should we call it a beach? But yeah, yeah, you could, yeah, a nice private little beach there for you. Go on, enjoy it. It's about nearly midday. It's nearly lunchtime. It's 26 degrees. We don't want to work too hard. It's looking good over there. Okay, the road will do. Everyone's getting past. It's fine. The rockery is done. Okay, we've got a few gabions there. It's looking good. Smile, enjoy. It's Africa. Come on, enjoy the rest of the view with me. Let's carry on along this little rockery along here. This coastline is just amazing. You never get tired of that. And there in the far distance is Simonstown, Cape Point, and to the far left you might be able to see Fishhook if you strain your eyes. And coming back to the Helderberg and Clarence Drive. And now testing out that ND16 PL filter again. Let's see how that works. If you do not like this view, please make your complaints in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching so far and enduring this Gordons Bay Clarence Drive. Oh dear. Come back soon if you can bear it.